Every day, millions of garments travel from factory floors in southern China to doorsteps in New York, Sao Paulo, Paris, and Jakarta, often within days, not months. You see the clothes, the deals, the endless choices, but you don't see the system that makes it happen. This is not just fast fashion. This is invisible logistics. This is Shein.
Shein.
Shine.
I say Shein.
It's Shein.
When you think of Shein, you probably think of cheap dresses, flash sales, TikTok hauls. But behind the screens, back of house, it's not fashion that drives this company, it's logistics, data-driven logistics. Traditional fashion giants plan collections 6 to 9 months ahead. They guess what shoppers might want next season. Shein did something radically different. Rather than forecasting seasons, Shein watches real human behavior in real time. Every click, every save, every share becomes a data point. That data becomes demand signals used instantly to decide what gets made next. The heart of the system, on-demand production. At the center of Shein's invisible logistics is on-demand production, a model designed to match supply directly with demand, not prediction. Here's how it works. Step 1. Micro-batch releases. Instead of big seasonal drops, Shein launches small initial batches, 100 to 200 units per style, across thousands of new items every day. This is not random, it's a deliberate test. If consumers buy, Shein scales up production. If not, the item quietly disappears. Step 2. Real-time feedback loop. Data from Shein's app and website feeds directly into a digital supply chain dashboard. Clicks, favorites, shares, add to cart behavior. It all flows back instantly into the system. This real-time feedback loop decides what gets made and how much before traditional retailers even place orders. Step 3. Supplier integration. Shein doesn't own most of its factories. Instead, it has digitally integrated thousands of third-party suppliers, mainly around Guangdong, China, connecting them into one unified production system. These suppliers receive live demand signals and production schedules straight from Shein's platform. Speed as strategy. Speed is not a byproduct for Shein, it's a competitive weapon. Traditional fast fashion might move from design to shelf in weeks. Shein compresses that cycle to as little as 7 to 14 days. Designers, suppliers, production lines, they're all wired to one system that reads what customers want now. It's not trend forecasting, it's demand sensing and instant response. Behind the scenes, warehouses, AI, and tech. Beyond factories, Shein's logistics extend into a global fulfillment network. Regional warehouses in the United States, Europe, and beyond help speed delivery and reduce shipping delays. The logistics system is powered by advanced analytics, enterprise software, and AI tools that monitor inventory, demand, and production performance in real time, making decisions in seconds that once took months.
The hidden costs and global impact. A system this efficient looks almost magical, but it's not without controversy. As Shein expands, it faces scrutiny, from labor practices to environmental and regulatory pressures around the world. Reports have surfaced of harsh factory conditions, audits revealing child labor incidents, and global regulators questioning the sustainability of ultra-fast production. Shein's success also hinges on global shipping networks that deliver millions of items across borders daily, often at the expense of higher carbon emissions and strain on local retail ecosystems. Lessons for real scale. So what can we learn from Shein's invisible logistics? Data as the core driver. Shein treats customer behavior as the single source of truth for production decision-making. Integration over ownership. Instead of owning every link, it connects suppliers into one coordinated system. Speed beats prediction. Real-time responsiveness outperforms slow forecasting, not just in fashion, in any scalable business. Conclusion. Shein didn't scale because it sold the cheapest clothes. It scaled because it reimagined supply chains as living systems. From small batches to global logistics, from data signals to demand-driven production, the company built a machine that moves faster than almost any competitor. This is invisible logistics, and this is how real scale happens.